So if sets are to arrays, then maps are to objects. A map works very similar to a set, however, it has a key and a value instead of just values. So right here, I've gone ahead and created a new map, which is dogs, and I've set Snickers to 3, Sunny to 2, and Hugo to 10. We'll talk about the actual values that this can take. Spoiler, both the keys and the values can be absolutely anything. And there is a very simple API for actually working with it. So we call .set here when you want to set something on it. You can, let's bring it over to here, say dogs.has Snickers. That will be true. So you do use .has and you use the key of it. You can use dog.get to actually get the item, whereas with sets, we weren't able to reference it at all. You can use dogs.delete Hugo to see who's in there. Now dogs is just a map of Snickers and Sunny. One interesting thing about dogs and one interesting thing about maps, I guess, is that you can loop over them in 2 ways. First of all, we can use for each, and that will give us a value and a key. And you can console.log the val and the key. And that will give us the value of the key, value key, value key. And we can also use our trusty for of loop that we've been using all over this series. So for const dog of dogs, open that sucker up, console.log dog. And what's interesting about that is it actually gives us an array where the first item is the key and the second item is the value. So you might be thinking, oh, I know what to use for that. We can use the actual destructuring here. And so instead of saying key dogs, we can say key and val. And then we have a key and a val, separate variables here that log out separately for us. You can use dogs.clear to get rid of them, or you can individually delete one with .delete. Now, that's interesting about a map, but why is that better than actually using an object, right? It seems like it has a little bit of a limited API. Really, the one benefit here is that you can use your for of loop with a map, but that is also coming to objects sometime in the future of JavaScript. So in the next video, what I want to do is show you how you can actually use a map for what's called metadata.